friends, we have this book from the library today, and we're gonna read Caterina and the Best Beach Day. Let's see. Caterina and Leo are going to the beach. Whoop. They would both love to see a whale. Whales are wondrous. But no one can plan to see a whale, not even Caterina. Whales, if you're lucky, may just happen to pass by whale you are looking or not. Caterina is just sure that she and Leo will probably not see a whale, but she will help Leo look for one anyway, after she sets up on camp. And they apply sunscreen. Then she has shells to collect and crabs and more. There will probably not be a whale to see, but if there is, Caterina will find it after she organizes lunch. Flies a kite. Builds a castle. She's building a castle over here. The wave came over and she has a quick dig in the ocean. Caterina is busy, but not too busy to help Leo look for a whale. Leo! 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 Caterina and Leo will both look for a whale. Caterina is sure that they will probably not see one. They're swimming on the water. You see, they're swimming on the water. Leo knows they will. What's happening? You see? You see the whale? They're on top of it. After all, they found the whale. How to have a best beach day. Taste the salt, smell the sea, hear the waves, feel the sand, see everything. Enjoy the wonder of it all. Okay, friends. Hope to see you soon.